John says, nope, I don't want to go that way. Yep. Back up and...
He is taking on the challenge of Karl-Anthony Towns. Time dunk there by Paul. Boy, this is one of the best one-on-one matchups we've seen here. A couple of months ago against Boston was very memorable.
Oh, Jokic again said, wait, and have to be out there trying to stop that guy.
Two.
Whoops. Goodbye.
Right hand to the youngster that said, I go a little bit more.
Defense inside by Houston with a good block.
Oh my goodness. We're talking about a Houston three. Milos. Oh my goodness.
Only 10 points away are the Denver Nuggets from what they've been averaging. And the block is high.
Pick, roll. Gets the shot blocked. What a job. That was... That's some play.
That is a three going up against a guy that's more 6.
Sox not happy.
Curry flipping it up and in. Wiggins dunk and Curry's lay and count the same.
Jackson 15 of his 17 in the second half. Oh, Dirk Nowitzki answers back.
Chris Webber just stands sideways and plotted deep. Dirk shows the fake. Chris Webber doesn't buy it, but then Chris just gets out of his way. Excuse me.